To turn on the subtitle, click the CC button. Nothing matters. Beautiful sunlight, kind moonlight, even pretty flowers. Nothing matters anymore when you are in love. Oh, love me, or hate me. Both are in my favor. If you love me, I'll always be in your heart. If you hate me, I'll always be in your mind. Love is the greatest of dreams, yet the worst of nightmares. William Shakespeare. Roses dance and sway. Their heavenly fragrance invite you to the forbidden cooking. Have you ever been in love? Well, he has. And this is how he met her. You can watch it on this video.
I have to tell her these feelings. I tried and tried and tried, but I hate my life. I hate me. I hate everything. Hey, Diana, I found it. Can you help me making this?
What is it? Love potion. This is a very strong potion. Make it with great care. That is interesting. How can we make this? Well, this looks not so difficult. Important note: this love potion does not work for anyone if you... What is it? If you... What? Mr. Traveler, are you sure you want to make this? A piece is missing.
I am 1000% sure. Love is hurricane.
Hurricane? Well, okay, well, sure. I'll help you. And so, they start making a love potion. This is a drinkable recipe and of course very tasty. Are you ready to see the secret recipe? First of all, you will need water. Clean, clear water. And pour it in the pot. Not too much, just enough for the potion. Put the pot on the stove and turn on the heat. Boil the water. After the boiled water is ready, we do the next step. We will need 1 tablespoon of hibiscus flower. In this case, I took 1 piece of flower. And also 1 tablespoon of rose petals. Put it in the cup. Pour the boiled water a little above half of the cup. Cover with tea towels and wait for the length of the person's name in minutes. After that, strain the petals and leave it on the side. Next, we will need a half cup of milk. And this is one of the most important part. We will need spices, cinnamon, and well, where is it? Here we go. We will need a cardamom. Most important of all, without this, it can't be a love potion. Vanilla. Now add the spices into the milk. Half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom, and half teaspoon of vanilla. Think about the person you love and combine the spices together. Place the pot on the stove and warm it up. Until smoke is slightly coming up, but not boiling. After the milk is ready, pour it in the flour-infused hot water, which we just made before. And last step. Come on, Mr. Traveler.
Looks yummy. Oh no, this is for Miss Traveler, my love.
At the end, add the golden honey with a kiss.
Mr. Traveler. Do you feel any difference today? Nothing special. Oh, I gotta go. Bye. Oh no. What have I done wrong? Oh, the missing part.
This love potion does not work for anyone if you... To understand what was wrong, he decided to take a sip.
It's tasty. I feel like my heart is warming up. Well, I'm not too bad as I think.
Seems it didn't work for Miss Traveler, but somehow it seems to be working for Mr. Traveler. He starts loving himself. But what was the missing part? Don't love yourself first? Oh, I got it. This love potion does not work for anyone if you don't love yourself first. Well, that was the most mysterious and tasty recipe I've ever heard. Mr. Traveler didn't succeed. But you know the secret? If you truly love yourself, you should be able to succeed. This mysterious and secret recipe. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video.